Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to recover hide tools in Adobe Illustrator CC. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel, so let's fix it.
Pyro made this one.
Jump out and shoot or drive by and let go. Ever done a booting on the mains 10 toes? Done it once, done it twice. I'm taking the piss, I put my plans to the side. Man got pagans to live. I won't stop until he's dead. You got 9s in my clip, couple shots of the lead. Crept up with a 12 and put a bell through his head. Fucking indirect, I'd rather burst you instead.
Friends turned up, so I'm quick to let a bridge burn. Pull up in slack, make it crawl like he's got burns. And I ain't using words, I let my burner talk, get up close, point blank, let it burst.
I swear New York the fastest. Britain's got talent, I'm a booting fanatic. F-blocked, home of the shooters and trappers. YouTube captured my shootings on cameras. It's rap shit bangers when you live in what you rap. I'm in this black BM with a spinner on my lap. Turn the phone lines on and start spinning up the flats. Or we transport the line and hit the fiends out the back.